In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with WhatsApp Business. We're going to create a simple automation that sends a WhatsApp message to new leads coming in from a Facebook lead ad form. This is a great way to follow up quickly and make sure new prospects hear from you right away. To begin, log into your Zapier account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create and then select Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll define what starts the workflow and what happens next. First, click the trigger step. In the app search bar, look for Facebook lead ads and select it as your trigger app. For the trigger event, choose New Lead. This tells Zapier to start the automation every time someone submits your lead form on Facebook. Next, connect your Facebook account if it isn't already linked. After that, choose the Facebook page and the specific lead form you want Zapier to monitor. It's important to pick the exact form connected to your ad, so the right leads are captured. Now click Test Trigger. Zapier will try to pull in a sample lead from your form. Check that the data appears correctly, especially the contact details you'll need later. If everything looks good, click Continue. With the trigger ready, click the action step. Search for WhatsApp Business and select it. Then connect your WhatsApp Business account so Zapier can send messages on your behalf. For the action event, choose Send Message. Now you'll configure the message details. In the recipient field, map the lead's phone number from the Facebook lead data. This is what tells Zapier exactly where to send the message. Then enter the WhatsApp message you want every new lead to receive. Keep it clear, friendly, and relevant, since this will be the first message many people see from your business. Once that's done, click Continue. Then click Test Step to send a real test message. Verify that the WhatsApp message is delivered successfully. This confirmation is important because it helps you catch formatting issues or missing data before the automation goes live. If the test works as expected, click Publish to activate the Zap. Your automation is now live. To make sure everything works from end to end, submit a test lead through your Facebook lead ad form. After submission, confirm that the lead automatically receives the WhatsApp message. If that happens, your setup is complete and working properly. Thanks for watching.